Want to copy the formatting from one sheets to another in Excel? I'm here to help. I'm Limon and in this video I'll show you how to copy formatting from one sheets to another in Microsoft Excel. Now let's get started.
First, let's open the document. Here I have a spreadsheet as an example. As you can see, this document contains 3 different sheets and each sheet has a table but with different formatting. Now let's say you want the formatting from sheet 1 to be applied to the rest of the sheets, so everything looks consistent. Here's how to do it. First, go to sheet 1 and select the table that already has the formatting you want. Then simply copy it. Next, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and select the other sheets where you want to apply the same formatting. Once those sheets are selected, go up to the menu bar and click on Fill. From the drop-down menu, choose Across Worksheets. A small pop-up window will appear. Here, select Formats and then click OK. And that's it. Now, if you open the other sheets, you'll see that they all have the exact same formatting as the first sheet. This little trick can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working with multiple sheets in the same workbook.